Hi pal, this is Soga. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful back strap or curtain strap. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see. Start the slip knot, then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop, stretch it. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop, stretch it. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1, turn your work. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1, turn your work. You will see these 2 single crochets on the left, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. You will see these 2 single crochets on the left. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook in the middle of these 2 single crochets on the left. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1 and repeat again. It's so easy to make. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for your attention to this matter. I'm very grateful for your consideration. I hope this video was useful to you. You can use this pattern for your projects. You have such creative ideas. Please share your comments with me. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. I'll be back very soon. Bye.